Girl, I look like, I don't know, but it's not Rihanna. I feel like it's been so long. I don't even know how to talk. But hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you do not know me, my name is Caitlin. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well in this, time that we're in right now. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're safe. Hope your family is safe. All of that good stuff. Before I get into today's video, I would like to address something that is, kind of like hard to miss if you have either social media, if you watch the news, or if you are just alive on planet Earth right now. There is a movement going on right now surrounding the Black Lives Matter hashtag or slogan, saying whatever you want to call it. It is basically against police brutality, just injustices across the board, and I'm speaking specifically on the police brutality portion as of right now. Names like George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, and too many that should have to be named were all victims of police brutality. You can do your part and go to the description box. I will have a link set up where you can donate, sign petitions, just educate yourselves on what's going on right now. And yeah, just use your voice, no matter how big or small your platform is, and try to make a difference. Amen. So yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that right now. Please try to be a light in anyone's life you see that is affected by it. And yeah, just be a good person. Period. So yeah, let's just get right into this hair. Alright, so it's been so long since I have been like in front of a camera recording, talking to you, and I miss y'all. Excuse that. Like, y'all don't even know how long it took me to set this up. I feel like it's because I haven't set it up in a long time. Everything is wrinkled. My shirt wrinkled, my backdrop wrinkled, girl. But I know you see this quality. Your girl got a new phone. Hopefully the quality game will be stepped up a notch. And we're finna keep it rolling with this tutorial right now because I know why y'all are here. Okay, by the title, you already know what's about to go down. We're about to get back into my segment or series that I had called I Can Do That. If you don't know what that is, I basically pick a hairstyle, anything, and see if I can do it or not. Basically, like, it's really simple. And if I can, I'm just gonna say I can do that, and y'all gotta comment, you did that. But if I can't, we ain't gonna talk about it. For today's I Can Do That video, I am going to be doing a beautiful hairstyle that I found on Instagram of none other than Riri. Like, we know her, we love her, we stan. So this is the hairstyle right here. Beautiful. I know. It's so gorgeous. I think it was for a Vogue cover or something. It was inspired by the Malagasy. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Let me go see. Malagasy. I just think it's beautiful. I think it looks so like cool. Like, you wouldn't see that normally. I felt like it was cute, so we're gonna recreate this look, girl. Let's go. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that Riri, she used some hair in this, but I don't have that right now. We're just gonna try to see what we can do with this. And this is old hair, so like, yeah, she's a little iffy right now. Hers is a middle part. Do I want to do a middle part? Why not? So part of my hair, I'm just gonna be taking a pick like so to split down the middle. Okay, that's good. How many of y'all think she got up in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I see 13. So that's how I'm gonna do mine. Okay, and we're not gonna care about how we do the back because, like, it's the back, sis. Ain't nobody looking at the back of my head. Well, you are, but don't. Okay, so I have my hair parted, and like, I think that's as straight as we gonna get her. Ooh, am I sweating? Probably am, girl. Okay, so her balls are like, they're like not big, but they ain't small. They're like medium. They're exaggeratedly big. So, ooh, let's just a little bit off. So I'm just going to this much. We're gonna go straight across like so. I'm going to just part this one in the middle like so and get this out of the way for now. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with like a section about yay big. Like, this looks okay, and I'm not gonna put any gel or anything because I don't want to. And I'm just going to plait, like, you know how to plait, right? Take 3 sections and just plait it down. This is like enough to me. Like, plait it like midway. I don't want my hair to shrink up, so I'm gonna take the slightest bit of water, like the slightest. And I'm gonna spray like 1 squirt. Like, I'm serious. Okay, maybe 2. See, that's what. Okay, I did 2 squirts of water, nothing more, nothing less. And for moisturizing purposes, I'm going to use the Mielle Organic Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. Y'all know me, y'all already know I like this product a lot. I'm taking a little bit of that, like this much. A little, because we did not want our hair to shrink up too bad, but we wanted to shrink up enough just so we get the picture, you know? Now that we're all moisturized up, this is how I decided that I'm going to make the balls. I'm just going to brush out my hair like this. Just brush it out, get it all fluffy. See? Make it nice and fluffy. Then I'm going to take the end and bring it up. And that's perfect. Yeah, I knew it. I got some article bottles. And then I'm going to wrap the end of the hair around the braid. And hopefully that made sense. It should go into the bubble formation. All right, I'm gonna show you guys one more time as a reference, and then we're gonna get this party started, okay? Because I'm ready to see this. Okay, so first I'm gonna take my section about this big, you know, just for having the ball nice and plump, and I'm going to section off my hair into 3 pieces, write it down halfway. Then I'm going to spray the hair with water, apply my cream, and brush it out, honey. Get her nice and fluffy. And then we're going to take the end of that hair and wrap it around the braid. And that's going to give us our ball illusion, so the hair can stay up in the ball and protect your ends, sis. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. And I'm going to do this all over my head. I'm so excited. So let's go. Oh yeah, and you can listen to this non-copyrighted music. You thought I wasn't going to let you listen? I am.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss that thing go ring, ring, ring.
All right, so this is the first half. Like, some of them I made a mistake and like combed them out while I was doing the others. Some are coming down. We're gonna fix that. I'm just gonna go back and do the other half, and I'll be back with my final results because I feel like I can do it. I just need to focus. I'll be back when I get done with my other half, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I'm back now. Before we say anything, can't deny that this does look like the hairstyle, right? Like, I'm not tripping. This looks like the hairstyle, but it's just not as cool looking from where I'm looking at it on me right now, you know? Like, I feel like this, you know, it looks good, but I feel like this would only look good on me if I were like, if it was like pictures, you know, like wide leg pants, cute top, like mysterious stare, that type of vibe. But I'm not giving the type of vibe right now. Like, I'm just not. I tried to put on a sparkly top, make it compensate, but it's not doing what I thought it was gonna do. I still got the style right now. Like, let me go look at the picture real quick again. I skipped a little bit. I skipped a little with this side because I got tired, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, y'all can call this a fail if y'all want to. No, we're not. Because I feel like I got pretty close. I mean, it's not gonna look, and then my hair shrunk up some more anyway because it is natural and I did put water on it, so it did shrink up even more. I feel like I did an okay job. On a scale of 1 to 10, I feel like I got at least a 3 out of there. I feel like I got at least a 3. 4. I'll give myself a 4 because baby, I did it, okay? Spent all that time playing them plaits, twirling them balls. I did it, okay? But like, I just feel like Rihanna just gives like a whole vibe in herself that just, I'm just not able to replicate. But this, I feel like this would be cuter. A, had I gotten some extensions in with it, and B, had it been like more shaped, I feel like it would have been perfect. I feel like it would have been so cute for take pictures in. But yeah, like as I said, Rihanna just exudes a level of swag that's just not, it's untouchable, okay? And I tried, okay? So we're gonna give me effort for that. Okay, so the verdict is in, and I'm gonna say I kinda did that. So I'm not gonna give myself a full check mark, but you know what? I did make some shake. I did do something. You see, like, I did a little bit of something, you know? But yeah, so like Rihanna, if you ever see this, don't know if you will, just give me just an ounce of swag and a little bit of hair extensions and I will do you justice. I promise you, I will do you justice. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it all the way down to the end, put a diamond for Rihanna, period. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed up above just for you. And of course, do not forget to subscribe and to see more of this beautiful chocolate face. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, do not forget, if you want to get more insight on what's going on in the world right now with the police brutality and the Black Lives Matter movement, I will have a link in the description below. I will have a link in the description below. Click it, educate yourself, donate, sign petitions, and yeah, help change the world, sweetie, because this is what we're trying to do. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.